Dell 5420. Look at this. Sensor, fingerprint reader here. Not a full keyboard. Nice little setup here. Look at this, guys. 2 microphones, sensitive, and you could close the page up, page down. So okay, thin little version. Oh, the SD card reader, 2 Type-C, 3.1 USBs, air fans. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, on this section we have 2 USBs, HDMI, SD micro card reader, 3.5 jack, micro SD card, 3.5 jack, and 2 USBs, 1 HDMI, and a port. Oh, look at this. They have the SIM card reader here. This is actually for a SIM card, for the SIM card for the actual, you know what this is for? The SIM card for the actual phones. They put it in the back now. It used to be on the side. Air ventilation, plenty of air now. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, the little one, right? All right, so we find a little corner. 1 fan, 1 single fan right here. That's all it has, 1 single fan. Connection to the battery right here. Battery can be replaced. 1, 2, 3, pretty much three screws. That's it. 1, 2, 3. It tells you the screws here. You can see the little fine screws in there. Screw in there. You remove this, battery pops out. Easy to replace. It's a 63WH. They have different models. You could get a smaller one, but keep it the same size. 2 DIMMs here, DDR4. You fit one here, second one here. CPU and video card all in one. Now you got the M.2 here. It's a closed enclosure here. You could add another one here, a shorter one. It's a 1 minute input right here, but you could actually the smaller millimeter. Little description here. So you have room for this one. You can see that. Wireless device, wireless card. M.2, it's hidden in here. You have to remove a couple of screws. Remove that one, this one. Let's do that right now. We'll do that in a bit. Let me see. DDR4 memory upgrade, extra M.2, and of course a battery replacement. Then back here, here's the SIM card reader, the SIM card for your telephone provider. SD. M.2 NVMe. Look at the small size. This is the actual card. This is actually just an expansion to help it out. That's crazy. Look at that, how small it is. See, this is the actual unit itself. You can see the sides. You can tell because of the thermal tape. But they do have spacing for 40. You have enough space for 40, but they give you this extension slot. This is a 512 gigabyte. 512 gigs. 512 gigs. on a little tiny little chip like this. They keep getting smaller and smaller, but if you want a larger one, they do have an expansion for it, and this one actually goes in here. Let's put it back. So as long as the copper's not showing, you just drive it down, and that's it. Make sure this is covered, protected. Screw it down. You screw this one down first, and that's it. For maintenance, you get an air can that you blow it in here. Back here, clean it out. Blow it out, blow it in. Look at this, this is how much flexibility it has. It's crazy. I didn't know that. That's how they have the neck more. It's crazy, look at this.